How to redeem Zox points. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Zox points. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Redeeming Zox points is quite an easy task. All that you have to do is simply go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.zox.la/pages/rewards. Now in the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and scroll through and select the rewards that you want to redeem. You will see various options. Simply tap on the redeem button below the tab that you want to redeem. You will then be asked to enter your redeem code, so go ahead and enter that, and if the code that you entered is correct, your code will be redeemed successfully in Zox. So this is how you can redeem Zox points. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button. Comment if you have any queries and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.